Float mode. When you're in drive mode, you can change the mode between sowing or floating or just traversing very fast through your pattern. That way, if you need to not start at the beginning but need to start in the middle somewhere, you can put this on. That's float mode, and if you press the start button, the machine will pretend to sow, but it's not really spinning the main shaft. It's not sowing, and it will just go forward, and that way you can go forward in case you have a damaged design or something. You press the start button, it will go forward slowly, and when you're where you need to be, then you hit stop. Or I can press the stop button, and then we'll go backwards all the way to the beginning. That's in float mode, and it can give you an idea what the sow out's gonna be for real. So let's go all the way back. Okay, then stops there, and that's this button. So green will make it actually sow. When you're in drive mode and you hit the start button and it's green over here, it's gonna actually sow and do your pattern. When it's in yellow, it's just gonna traverse slowly forward and back, but show you kind of where every stitch is gonna happen. And that's a good test. When it's in red, it won't really move. It will go really fast through the pattern, and then when you press green, it will go forward to the pattern really fast. That way you can jump to where you want to be faster, but it's not going to move the thing until you hit stop where you want to be. So let's press green, and it's just going to the pattern really fast. Let's hit stop, and now it's stopped here. And that's a quicker way to traverse through the pattern. And then you could probably go to float mode, which is in yellow here, to go exactly where you want in the pattern. Let's go back to here and press red for the stop button, and it's going backwards to the pattern really quickly. And there we go, we're back at the beginning. And you would probably only use this. You probably use the yellow, the float mode, to actually have an idea where it's going to sow, and you want red or the fast travel to actually jump somewhere quicker than yellow can. And green is when you actually want to sow. So when you're in drive mode, you want this to be green if you want to actually sow. And that is sow mode and float, and just a fast traverse version of float. And back to green.